So hello class, my name is Abhishek Biswas and today we are going to cover postmodern age in our PYQ discussion. है ना? Initially we have started with the Anglo-Saxon age, then we moved to Anglo-Norman age, then age of Chaucer, then Baron age, and one by one we are trying to cover each and every literary ages in English literature. So today's videos we are going to discuss about the postmodern age, the last age of English literature. Now, before getting started, I would just like to introduce you to our offer. This is for both the offline classes, both for the offline students as well as for the online students. For offline students, you are getting a lifetime validity under this offer. So you are allowed to sit in the class until and unless you clear either your UGC NET or CG set. The fees is 21,999, which is approximately 22,000. For online classes, the validity has been extended by one more year. So now we are getting a 2 years validity. The fees is 19,999, which is approximately 20,000. Before getting started, before getting your admissions done, you can definitely have the demo classes and evaluate whether you want to opt for the course or not. These are the two numbers. If you have any doubt regarding this offer or if you have any general inquiry, you can straight away dial up any of these numbers and get your queries resolved. These are all the subjects under which this offer is uh, being carried out, and most importantly, we have English literature as well. Okay, so let us get started then. Today we are discussing the postmodern age. And this this photo is quite a depiction of the postmodern age, which defining historical event generally marks the ideological beginning of postmodern literature. The end of the World War, the end of the Cold War, the end of World War II, the fall of Berlin Wall, the beginning of the Vietnam War. एंड ऑफ द वर्ल्ड वॉर टू, वर्ल्ड वॉर वन के बाद मॉडर्न एज, वर्ल्ड वॉर टू के बाद पोस्ट मॉडर्न एज. Which literary technique heavily utilized in postmodernism involves writing self-consciously about the process of writing fiction itself. ये किस प्रकार का राइटिंग है जिसमें कि राइटिंग का जो मतलब सेल्फ कॉन्शियसली राइटिंग के ही प्रोसेस के बारे में बताया जा रहा है. मतलब फिक्शन में फिक्शन के ही बारे में बात हो रही है ना. पिक्चर के अंदर पिक्चर देख रहे हो आप. जब भी ऐसा कुछ होता है तो हम वर्ड यूज करते हैं मेटा. द आंसर इज मेटाफिक्शन. Metafiction continually reminds the reader that they are reading a constructed fictional work. It draws attention to its own artificiality, breaking the fourth wall, the questioning the relationship between fiction and reality. What does the postmodern concept of pastiche refer to? Pastiche का मतलब क्या है? A humorous mocking imitation of a single specific work, a fragmented narrative told entirely from the future, a combining of various genres, styles, and text to create a new work, a strict, rigid adherence to historical accuracy. पास्टिशे, पास्टिशे का मतलब होता है चीजों को इंटरमिक्स कर देना. So the answer is the combining of various genre styles The answer is the combining of various genres, styles, and text. Unlike parody, which mocks, pastiche is a blank parody or homage. It involves playfully stitching together multiple genres. Which of the following authors is widely considered a pioneer of postmodern literature with his dark cyclical war novel Catch 22? Catch 22 किसका बोलते हैं? Who has written the work Catch 22? Kurt Vonnegut, Joseph Heller, Thomas Pynchon, Don DeLillo. है ना, ये आपको याद रखना है. कभी अगर सवाल आता है पायोनियर मतलब किसने पहले शुरू किया था, पायोनियर ऑफ पोस्ट मॉडर्न, पायोनियर ऑफ पोस्ट मॉडर्न लिटरेचर विद डार्क साइक्लिकल वॉर नॉवल, है ना, कैच 22. कौन है? जोसेफ हेलर. Published in philosophically, postmodernism often rejects the modernist belief in what concept? Universal absolute truths or grand narratives, the effectiveness of irony and dark humor, the importance of subjective personal, the need to experiment with literary forms. है ना, फिलोसॉफिकली पोस्ट मॉडर्निज्म मॉडर्निज्म के साथ कैसे अलाइन नहीं हो पा रहा है ना, कैसे रिजेक्ट कर रहा है. द आंसर इज यूनिवर्सल और एब्सोल्यूट ट्रूथ को नहीं मानता पोस्ट मॉडर्न वर्ल्ड. पोस्ट मॉडर्न वर्ल्ड बोलते हैं कि कोई ट्रूथ नहीं है, एब्सोल्यूट ट्रूथ नाम का कोई चीज नहीं है भाई. हर इंसान के लिए ट्रूथ अलग अलग हो सकता है. According to philosopher Jean-Francois Lyotard, postmodernism is incredulity toward meta-narratives. Incredulity towards meta-narratives. This means a profound skepticism towards sweeping universal explanations of history, religion, science, politics, favoring localized, multiple, and fragmented truths. Localized और मल्टीपल जो ट्रूथ्स हैं, फ्रेगमेंटेड ट्रूथ्स हैं, इनको ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंस देना है. सलमान रश्दी's Midnight Children is a prime example of postmodernism brilliantly blended with which specific literary genre? Cyberpunk, magic realism, southern gothic, hard-boiled detective fiction. है ना, किस चीज का ये? मैजिकल रियलिज्म. Which postmodern author wrote Slaughterhouse-Five, a deeply fragmented, non-linear anti-war novel featuring the recurring phrase "So it goes"? The writer is Kurt Vonnegut. What is intertextuality in the context of postmodern literary theory? Translating a text into multiple languages simultaneously, the shaping of a text's meaning by its references to other texts, a narrative that occurs entirely within the character's thoughts, publishing a novel exclusively on digital platforms. इंटरटेक्चुअलिटी को मीनिंग, द शेपिंग ऑफ अ टेक्स्ट मीनिंग बाय इट्स रेफरेंसेस टू अदर टेक्स्ट के साथ मिलाने से उसकी मीनिंग क्या आ रही है। थॉमस पिंचन्स highly complex novel Gravity's Rainbow is notorious for its use of which postmodern characteristics? Extreme minimalist prose and zero dialogue, paranoia, encyclopedic detail, and fragmented narrative, strict adherence to classical dramatic unities, a completely reliable, morally pure protagonist. Paranoia. Which phrase best describes the general postmodern attitude towards high culture and low culture? High culture is always superior and must be protected. The boundary between high culture and low culture is blurred or erased. Low culture should entirely replace elitist high culture. True literature must strictly avoid any references to low culture. हाँ, पोस्ट मॉडर्न एटीट्यूड को बेस्ट डिस्क्राइब करता है आपका सी, द बाउंड्री इज ब्लर्ड और erased. Okay, so that's it about today's video. That's it about the postmodern age. These are the 10 very important PYQs. So thank you for your time. If you like the video, do like the video. Do subscribe to the KTS app. Comment if you have any opinion, any feedback, or any query. You can straight away comment down below. And if you have any doubt, you can get each and every detail from the description box below. So thank you for your time, and have a great day.